Hello guys, welcome to Sidza.com. Now in this video we will learn about the molarity. As we know that molarity is one of the methods of expressing the concentration of a solution. There are different ways, different concentration terms, right? There are different ways by which we can express the concentration of a solution, and molarity is one of them. So molarity is one of the ways of expressing the concentration of a solution. But what does the molarity mean? How do we define the molarity actually? Molarity represents the number of moles, right? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of a solution. So we got a solution. How many moles are present in 1 liter of solution? That's called as the molarity, right? So molarity means the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Normally, when we express that we got a solution of 0.2 molar, it means actually 0.2 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. If we say it is 0.1 molar solution, it means that the solution contains 0.1 moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Now how do we calculate the molarity? So molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by the volume of solution in liters, right? So this is the volume of solution in liters. This is not the volume of solvent, right? It is the volume of solution, correct? So that means I'm going to express the molarity like this. It is the number of moles, right? I can say this is the number of moles of solute here, okay? Number of moles of solute here divided by the volume of solution, okay? This is the volume of solution in liters. And if I want to express the volume of solution in mLs, then I have to multiply this whole equation by 1000, right? So let me say this is n refers to the number of moles, right? And number of moles of B I refer to the solute, correct? So whenever I use the term A, it refers to the solvent, okay? And B, I mean say solute, correct? So if I want to say the number of moles of solute, it is NB divided by the volume of solution, right? This is the volume of solution. And if I express in mLs, then I need to, times 1000, right? Now this is how we express the molarity of a solution. As we also know that the number of moles of, any substance is equal to weight by molar mass, right? We know it, that the number of moles is equal to the weight by molar mass. So number of moles of solute, Nb, can be written as weight of solute here, which is Wb by molar mass of the solute, correct? Divided by the molar mass of the solute. So that means I can express, I can take this, I can substitute here the N by this, and what I can get another equation for the molarity, which is molarity will be equal to Nb. Rather than Nb, I can say the weight of solute, right? It is the Wb, which means the weight of solute here, divided by the molar mass, right? The molar mass of the solute times 1000 here, and the volume of solution in mLs, correct? Because this is what we call as number of moles of solute. So you can use this first equation, or we can use the second equation. See, for example, if I got a solution in which suppose 2 grams of sodium hydroxide are dissolved in let's say 250 mLs of aqueous solution, right? 2 grams of sodium hydroxide are actually present in 250 mLs of aqueous solution. So what will be the molarity of the solution here, correct? So I'm going to use the second equation here because I got the solute here in grams, right? So I'll write down here the molarity of the solution will be the weight of solute here is Wb here is 2 grams, right? 2 times what? 2 times 1000 here, okay? Divided by the molar mass of NaOH, and that is 40, right? Molar mass of NaOH, you can find it from sodium, oxygen, and the hydrogen. That's 40, and then time is what is the volume of solution? It is 250 mLs. So when I solve it, it will be this is 251, this is the 4, and this will be 1, and this is 10 here. So it will be 0.2, right? That means we have the 0.2 molar solution. This is a 0.2 molar solution, correct? Let's take another example here. Calculate the molarity of a solution that contains 5 grams of NaOH in 250 ml of solution, right? You know, it's the similar one, right? The only thing is we're going to change here the weights, right? So we know the molarity is equal to the weight of solute times 1000 here divided by the molar mass of solute, right? This is the molar mass of solute times the volume of solution in mLs, correct? So I'm going to use this equation again. Molarity will be equal to weight of solute is 5 grams times 1000 here divided by the molar mass of sodium hydroxide, that is 40, okay, that is 40, and times volume of solution is 250 mLs. So again this is the same thing for 1, so this is 10, so this will be 0.5, right? So that means it is 0.5 molar, correct? Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.